Subscribing to a business account on Yellow Tokens is simple, and it gives you full freedom to create projects with the companies, establishments, and products you want. Let's go through this step-by-step process. After logging into the platform, you'll land on the project list page. Click the highlighted central banner, or if you prefer, select Upgrade from the top menu. On this page, click the Get Business Account button and start by choosing the subscription period. The platform is very flexible. You can choose monthly, quarterly, semi-annual, or annual plans. The longer the period, the greater the subscription discount. Next, you'll configure the assets of your account according to your needs. Assets are the elements you need to define when subscribing to a business account. In Yellow Tokens, assets include custom projects, companies, establishments, products, and users. Start by selecting how many custom projects you want to include. A custom project represents an environment with its own companies, establishments, products, and analyses. You may want to subscribe to more than one custom project in several situations, such as if you have different brands and want to separate the analysis for each one, if you want to separate business units that target different audiences, or if you're an agency or consultant and want to create a dedicated dashboard for each client. This way, each project works as its own independent universe, making it easier to manage information and organize analyses. Then, define the number of companies. This should equal the total number of competitors you want to analyze, plus your own company. Next, choose how many establishments you want to monitor. This number should include your company's establishments plus all competitor establishments. If you don't plan to create a retail segment project, you can leave this field set to 0. Now, select the number of products you wish to include. This should reflect your company's products plus those of your competitors. If you don't plan to create a product-focused project, you can leave this field at 0. Lastly, choose how many users you want to add to your account. Don't worry if you're not sure about the quantities. You'll be able to change them later. As you adjust the number of assets, the monthly feedback volume will update accordingly. This reflects the total number of monthly feedbacks that will be searched for in your account. Just below the feedback volume, you'll see the subscription price for the selected period. Once everything is set, you can proceed with the subscription payment. To do so, simply click the Acquire Business Account button. You'll be directed to the payment page.